Hi guys, it's Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this waterproof baby changing pad. I just got this and I have been loving it, so I want to share a little bit about it. So first things first, this fits so perfectly on top of my dresser. I love it. It's the perfect amount of width. It's got plenty of space for my baby to lay. He's not cramped or short on room. However, it is recommended for babies 65 centimeters or 25 inches in length. My 4-month-old is currently 26 inches, and although he is close to maxing out its length, I think that it's still going to work for us for quite a while. Now, my favorite thing about this is how easy it is to care for. The material is nice and waterproof. It's super easy to wipe clean, whether that is liquids or solids, whatever the mess, you can just simply wipe it off and it's good to go for the next use. Plus, it has a slip-resistant base, so whatever surface you have it sitting on, it's going to help grip and keep it steady so it's not sliding around while you're using it. It does come with your standard little safety strap so you can buckle your baby in and help make sure they're not going to roll over while you're changing them. My little one seems nice and comfortable while using it for diaper changes. He's never fussed or complained. So overall, I really love this changing pad. It's a great size. It's very minimalistic, it looks good, and it's super easy to use and easy to care for. So if you guys were looking for a wonderful baby changing pad, look no further. This is such a wonderful choice.